Hey there, come on in. My name is Brittany, and in today's video, we are back to school. All the kids are back in school. All 3 kids for me for the first time are all in school. So now what? What do we do? So I've taken care of some morning chores, went and saw the chickens and done some other things around the house. And now I am trying to tackle these dishes I had left over from the dishwasher I unloaded on this morning. And I have the cup cabinet over there. It's actually overflowing because I have actually all of the cups and they're all clean. And I don't have enough room to put them away. So we need to be getting on to decluttering that here soon in a future video. But for now, we're going to dry up all of these Tupperware containers and little lunch containers and get these all put away. We're going to do a few things here in the kitchen and tidy up. And then we're going to be moving into the living room and getting some deep cleaning done. I hope that this video finds you well out there in your place in the world. Be sure to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to stay a while, let me know down in the comments below what you're up to today. Are your kids back in school? How are you holding up? And I hope everyone is having a great school year so far. So let's go ahead and tackle these dishes. I am trying to stay on top of my dishes game. With the kids in school, I'm trying to get all of my stuff done while they are in school so that when they come home, I can enjoy them. The only thing I really want to have to worry about is cooking dinner and cleaning that mess up. Otherwise, it's just spending time with the kids, unpacking their lunch boxes, and the whole bedtime routine. Otherwise, I just want to enjoy them. So let's tackle all the things so that we have the evening to do that.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best.
last thing we're going to be doing here in the kitchen, I want to tackle this little area and get the diffusers going because that just elevates my mood and keeps me going. So we're just going to tackle this little area here on the counter and get that going.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard I try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA.
I think this is going to be a fall favorite blend for me. It's supposed to smell like an apple orchard, and it's bergamot, orange, and rosemary, and it is so good. It just puts me in such a good mood. But I want to hear from you guys. Who is ready for fall? Have you guys decorated for fall yet, or are you soaking up the last bits of summer? Let me know in the comments. Got the living room diffuser going as well, giving me all of the cozy vibes. I absolutely love this little diffuser. It's linked in the description below if you want to check it out over on Amazon. But anyway, we are moving into the living room. We're going to open these blinds. If you guys notice, these are actually new. We got nice new fancy blinds now that I put up and didn't know how to put down on this day. So they're really cool. You just kind of slide them up and they just stay up, and then you pull them down and they go down. So somebody invented something really cool. Anyway, we are going to tackle this little bit of mess we got going. A bunch of throw blankets, and I had washed the doggies' beds on the day before, but I wanted to make sure that I got the floors good and clean in here because I knew they were disgusting. But we're also going to take down all of the spring decor that I still have here in the living room and get some dusting done. We're going to clean up this white stand and just get everything dusted, get the floors cleaned and mopped. I want to have everything ready in here to decorate for fall, and this is definitely a good start on that. Now, I wanted to go ahead and dust the ceiling fan, but there really wasn't any dust. What you see there is overspray from the people who spray painted the fan blades only on one side. But anyway, so there wasn't much dust, but I wanted to go ahead and try out this pillowcase hack because when I move on into the kitchen and do our deep clean in there, it is a lot more dust in there because the kitchen is just off of the laundry room, and a lot of that lint just goes right for the kitchen fan. So I know that I will be doing myself a favor by having some practice with this little pillowcase hack, and I think it works pretty good. And I used the inside of the pillowcase to dust the top here of the ceiling fan, and that was honestly the dustiest part. So I was pretty impressed that there wasn't as much dust on this fan as I had expected, but I also wonder if that's because the return vent to our HVAC system is in this room, and that thing really pulls all the dust down inside of it. So maybe that's why I don't have so much dust on the ceiling fan, but here you are. Check it out. The pillowcase kind of works, and it's a microfiber pillowcase, so I think that might help actually even better with pulling that dust and holding on to it. But we're going to go ahead and straighten up the rest of this living room before we get on to some more dusting. I'm gonna wash these blankets. I decided to go ahead and wash those couple of throw blankets and took advantage of the beautiful weather on this day and let them air dry out on the fence.
We got everything we need right here.
Coming in with my homemade Febreze spray, and this stuff smells so good. I used the same diffuser blend in this recipe, and I will link a recipe to make your own Febreze if you are interested in doing a DIY Febreze as well. And I just love how it smells. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the shelves here all dusted and clean. This one here, it was really bad. The other one's not so bad, but this one here, there was a lot of dust. I'm trying to manage my time well, and so I'm only going to tackle the inside of these windows. Definitely need to get to the outside. They weren't so bad on the outside though, so not too big of a deal for me to skip out on that. But I am so impressed with these blinds, and yeah, I don't know I mean that's probably like standard now for most people in their house, but I was really impressed with the way that these function.
Break down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah,
now I'm just going to come in with my broom and get this floor good and swept and just get as much as I can all cleaned up. We're not going to get to underneath of the couch. Like I said, I've got to keep an eye on the time because I have to get my kids from school when school lets out, but we are going to get this floor all cleaned up. And when I come back in to decorate, then I only really need to wipe down the baseboards and make sure that I tackle underneath of the couch and get it all cleaned, and probably will need to do a good scrub down on all the furniture. But for today, we are just worried about getting what we can done.
Now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong.
This dog hair is insane and it feels like a full-time job, but here we are going in to mop using my Bono mop, and I make my own solution for when I refill this mop, and that really helps with saving the money and not having to buy those pesky refills.
When she kissed your lips, oh what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh so cruel. Oh so cruel.
I knew this was going to be bad, but still I was kind of shocked, and I was running out of time on this day, so I am going to put these doggy beds back down and get these pillows, these throw pillows back on the couch, and that's going to wrap it up for this video. But I did end up going ahead and tackling the little doggy den area where the dog crates are kept, and I got a pile of dog hair out of there as well and swept the hallway into the kitchen. But I did all of that off camera because I was running out of time, so I wanted to make sure that I took care of what I could and was able to leave on time. And also on this day I didn't have my car, so I was having tires put on and had to go back and pick it up. Luckily I live within walking distance of the place that was taking care of it, but yeah, I had to make sure that I did all of the things and made it on time. So that's going to wrap up today's video, and I'm going to leave you with some before and after shots. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little cleaning motivation, and I just wanted to share with you what I was able to get done on this day. And I can't thank you enough for coming over and hanging out with me. I appreciate you so much. So be sure to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Take such good care of you. Bye.
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.